Hey guys, it's Allison. So today is a brand new video and the first video of the new year. As you guys see, I did not post on Friday at 12 p.m. but I am changing my uploading schedule to Sunday at 12 p.m. So here is my new video. As you guys can see from the title, it is an unboxing of my AirPods Max. I am super excited to show you guys this. I've been wanting this forever, but it was too expensive. But you know, get your discounts because that's what I did, and I got my discounts. So this is how I got it cheaper, because I would not pay $500 something for this. Would not. So there are about I think there are 5 colors: the black one, the silver ones, the green ones, the pink ones, and these blue ones. And obviously I was torn between the colors. The pink ones, that was out of the picture, or like the coralish color, but the other ones I was very torn between all of them. Obviously the silver and the black one are very like plain colors that you could wear with anything. Like if you're out, it won't look weird, you know what I mean? But like the blue and greenish are like the weirdish ones, but like the nice ones, you know. I don't know how to explain it, but you know what I mean. So but I just decided to get the blue ones because my favorite color is blue. So I decided to get these because I'm like, why not get out of my comfort zone and buy a different color. So yeah, here it is, and let's start unboxing it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Comment down below any videos you want me to do next. Subscribe down below if you're new to my channel, so I post notifications to get an update every time I post a new video. And let's get started. So as you guys could see, I am comfy on my bed. My pillow is just behind me. I just wanted a different setup and just a comfy setup just to show you guys this. So yeah, so here it is, even though there's like reflections, and that's the back of the box. So let's open it up. Let's see if you guys can hear this tear. Make it aesthetic. Probably won't be aesthetic, but you know, it's okay. So it peeled nothing. I'm just kidding. Here it is. So exciting. Let's open this up. Here it is at all its glory. Let's take it out. Then you could just take this plastic off. So and here is the case. I popped it open. So here is, it just looks like this. It looks so funny. And these are it. So here it is. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. I can't hear myself. Am I screaming? Oh, it connected to something. I heard a... So here's my phone. I'm gonna try to connect it to my phone right now. Ooh, it connected. Let's put on some music. I don't know if this is left, this is right. Don't mind me. Is it on? Hello? Are you gonna work? Okay, so it says personalized spatial audio. So it says take AirPods Max off your ears to continue. So okay, continue. I don't know why I'm doing a thing on my face. Oh, that's what I had to do. I'm just moving all my face around, and all I had to do was look to the side. Okay, so I have to right ear capture. Okay. Left ear capture. That is so weird. What is going on? But you know, it's okay. I never saw unboxing of these. This control center, press the volume slider to view additional controls for noise cancellation and transparency. Okay, so let's see what happens now. Oh. Me being dumb. Had these on. Okay. Let's pretend that did not happen. Let's pretend. Okay. Before I get into listening to all this music, comes with this, obviously, the papers that it always comes with, you know. And then it comes with the charger. And it's tiny. So we'll figure that out when we need to charge it, but that was everything that came inside the box. And me looking dumb with these on. That was everything that I wanted to show you guys. I'll keep you updated on how I like them. But so far, so good. They're comfy, they're comfortable on, and they have good music thing. You know, when it comes out of these, I'll let you know, because my brother will probably try them out, and he's better with these because he has like the Bose and he has all the different types, so he knows the capacity that it could do. So I'll let you guys know. But I had it around the whole time. This side is the left, this side is the right, so I got it now. I can't hear myself, but I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.